In this video, we'll be creating our own binary tree. So what are things we need for creating a tree? So we need a data node, we need a link for the next node that is left, and we need a right. This is 2, this is 3. And it is none, right? Left contain none at the end, and at the end it will contain none, and again it will contain none. Similarly for this none. So let's create this tree. So what all things we need? We need a data node, that is we need data, we need a left, and we need a right. So let's create it. Let's create a class node. Let's create an init function. What all things we'll get from the user? That is data. Now let's give self.data equals to data. Let's give self.left equals to none. Self.right equals to none. Our node is created. Now let's create an object. Object 1. We can call node of 1. Create a second node, that is node of 2, that is node of 3. Now, as of now, how the node is created? 1 is there, there's a node. In its left, it has none. In its right, it has none. Similarly, 2 is created. In its left, it has none. In its right, it has none. Similarly, 3 is created and same, none. Now, what we need to do? We want such a way that this points to 2 and this points to 3. That is 1, 2, and 3. And this can be none, correct? So you want that. So what we can do now? We can do obj1 dot left equals to obj2. Now what will happen? This 1 will start pointing to 2. 3 is not still pointed. So we can do obj.right equals to obj3. Correct? obj2 obj1 dot right equals to obj. Now our binary node is created. So we can print it. So if we just do now obj1 dot left, go to the left and print the data there. We can see that 2 is printed, and obj1 dot right dot data 3 is printed. Now what is happening? 1 is there, it is now pointing to 2, it is pointing to 3. Now when I am doing obj1 dot left, so it's saying okay, go towards my left. It's going towards my left and print the data over there. What is the data over here? That is 2, printed 2. Similarly, go towards right and print the data over there, that is print 3. Now we can still extend the extend our tree by creating the new object obj4 equals to node of 4 and obj2 dot left equals to 4. We can do it obj4. Similarly, we like this we can just go on creating the complete binary tree. It will be now 1 2 3 4. So like this we can create a big binary tree. In our next video I will be telling how to create a complete tree in a better manner. Thank you.